Hey everyone! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use a dedicated IP with NordVPN. If you're looking for a stable, consistent IP address for work, streaming, or smoother everyday browsing, this setup makes it very easy. And if you're planning to get NordVPN, my link in the description gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. First, log into your Nord account. You'll need access to manage your subscription and the dedicated IP add-on. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and select NordVPN. This will open the section where you can manage additional features. From there, find the option labeled Dedicated IP. Click Get Dedicated IP to view the available plans. You'll see options for a 2-year plan, a 1-year plan, or a monthly plan. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, select your payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, Google Pay, PayPal, or another supported option. Keep in mind that the dedicated IP is billed separately from your main NordVPN subscription. After completing the payment, you'll be prompted to choose your dedicated IP location. Pick the region that makes the most sense for your use case, whether that's smoother streaming or more reliable access to work-related services. Now it's time to connect. Open the NordVPN app on your device and use the search bar to type dedicated IP. You'll see a list of dedicated IP servers by region. Select the location you purchased and click Connect. After a few seconds, you'll be connected using your own unique, stable IP address. And that's it. Using a dedicated IP with NordVPN gives you better consistency, fewer CAPTCHA interruptions, and a cleaner online experience overall. If you're thinking about signing up, don't forget to use the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 extra months.